The collaboration between Nord Anglia Education and IMG Academy is one built around helping students, parents, faculty and staff, coaches continue to educate and elevate themselves in the fields of mental performance, leadership, confidence, nutrition, and elite athleticism. During our visit here to NAS Abu Dhabi, we've had an opportunity to meet with our parents, do several workshops with our students from a variety of ages, and have also had an opportunity to meet with our staff and work on some professional development opportunities surrounding mental performance, overcoming adversity, raising resilient children, and building confidence.
It's an opportunity for students, as well as their parents, their teachers, their coaches, their entire support system, to have shared language for how do I be resilient? How do I reframe those challenges and view them as opportunities? How can I increase my confidence by preparing really intentionally, as well as maybe leveraging what am I saying to myself and how does the way I'm thinking impact the outcomes that I have?
How about I try this, and if I don't do it, that doesn't mean I'm bad. It just means I'm not that good at it yet.
I have to build myself up and make myself believe the fact that I am capable.
Failure is just a learning opportunity.
Preparing them, giving them this kind of training like focus, confidence, how to breathe under pressure is critical to them being able to handle that stress under high performance.
The session taught me that I can do it if I just had the right mindset.
Just have a different mindset, everything will be all right.
It gave me a lot of insight into how I can better myself and better my thinking.
I think the biggest topic really is resilience, and that's something that we're trying to embed in our culture here. Resilience is for individuals, but it's also for our teams as well, and learning that it can't always be the best of the best all the time, and it's that bounce back ability. When things go badly wrong or where things are not going their way, it's how to understand to deal with that.
It was really useful for me.
They gave some interesting strategies on how to address the kids' frustration, on how to work with them on achieving goals.
I learned to be more confident in me being next to my child when she has big emotions.
Also, as part of the partnership, our students are going to have access to an exciting platform called IMG Plus Essentials, which is an online platform built to help students and families continue to support themselves in terms of mental focus, mental performance, leadership, nutrition, confidence.
This type of coaching creates lifelong habits. It creates opportunities for children to excel, develop and apply the softer skills that are going to be so fundamentally important to them, like compassion, collaboration, teamwork and commitment.